is it like that? I don't know how to do this. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Haven't done a video in a hot second. Bad, I know. So yeah, we are officially in 2020. We're almost 4 months in. We are all quarantined to our houses. It's great. It's a great time. I'm sure everyone's bored out of their minds. So guess what? We're gonna do some quarantine crafts today. I know you guys have plenty of this. You all raided the grocery store and Target and Walmart and Big Lots and Home Depot for them. And now they're all gone. So right now I only have 2, but we are gonna do crafts with toilet paper rolls. So here we go. I have my toilet paper rolls. Okay. I have a craft bucket full of crafting supplies. All sorts of, what is happening? All sorts of fun stuff, so this is gonna be fabulous. I can't wait for everyone to make fun of me after I post this video because I'm literally 12. Like, you have no idea. You like literally have no idea. Yeah, this is a dance costume that I was making and clearly did not finish. This is some really tacky fabric. Like, am I okay? Oh my god, I just got a brilliant idea. Okay, I got it. So this toilet paper roll, I'm gonna turn into a peacock. Because look what I just found. Bam! I probably shouldn't be painting in my room either. But would be the first mistake I've made, so. I hope I have a paintbrush in here. I should call this video Katie's Ratchet Craft Time, because that's about what it's turning into. I mean, this table that I'm on I got from Goodwill, so I guess it's like not really the end of the world, but you know. Let's just put this down so it doesn't get on my rug, because my mom will really kill me. The thing that's gonna suck about this is it's gonna have to dry. See, I didn't think this through, but I don't usually think anything through. I just kind of do it. Hello? Yep. This is when you know your paint is basically almost dried out. Oh my god. Paint. Oh my god, this is literally not gonna work, but here we go. So I guess we can like catch up on life since I haven't been on here in a hot second. Well, I graduated college. This is what life after college looks like, boys and girls. Painting in your room, doing crafts for the sake of YouTube. And you know what? I'm honestly not ashamed at all. Still cheering, don't worry. Haven't done any cheer vlogs. I know, super sad. Shame on me. Oh, she's not really that round anymore. I don't know, I just like didn't get around to like doing cheer vlogs. Like I kind of started it and then I just stopped, like never really finished any. But I'm like ticked because like we don't know if our season's over or like what's happening because of coronavirus. One of my best friends, she's so good at this. Like this is her domain and she would not be happy with me. This isn't even dry and I'm already painting on top of it, so I only have to do one side of this because the other side's gonna have the little tail on it. I feel like this is just gonna give it some dimension, you know? It's like blue sparkly and that's super fun. This is literally the most ratchet thing ever. Like, Dabby is probably cringing right now. Oh, Dabby, y'all have no idea who Dabby is. She's been in a bunch of my YouTube videos. Literally my best friend, one of my best friends on, when I was on KSU, cheer. Oh, yikes. This girl is a freaking artist. Like, she is so beyond talented, it's not even funny. And I don't know if she really, oh, this is bad. I don't even know if she knows that she's that good, but I think she's real good. She does some of my pictures too. Like, she's a photographer. This is just downright scary at this point. But anyway, she would not be impressed. She'd be like, Katie, what? First off, she'd be like, why are you making YouTube videos? Second off, she'd be like, this technique is just wrong. It is all wrong. Cute. This is not going well. You know what? I tried though. I actually tried. So here's what we're gonna do. This is probably not dry, but who cares? It's already terrible, so. And I really need this clip to go the other way, so I'm gonna rip it off. There's a clip on this. And that's how I'm gonna attach it. Boom. Peacock toilet paper roll. Look at her. Quick montage. Okay, so for this next one, I'm gonna make a ninja. Okay, so blue paint, let's just get rid of that. It's fine because I'm gonna use black, so. Okay, this time I'm just gonna pour the black onto this paper I have here. Yep, there we go. Fabulous. So yeah, quarantine is not terrible. Actually, our county like just went on like, not like full lockdown, but you know, yikes. Breaking news, US has highest number of coronavirus cases in the world, surpassing China and Italy. Fantastic, I love that so much for us. Stay inside, please, dear God. Because I would like to go back to normal life. I would really like to see my team and I would really like to compete. Just need a dot. Yes. A dot. Can we do it again? Nailed it. Nailed it. Okay, now I need some like angry eyebrows. Yes. Y'all, look at my ninja. This is so funny, and I'm so beyond entertained. Honestly, what y'all should do is just fill up a bucket, a container, with random things, and be like, I'm gonna decorate this toilet paper roll with a bunch of random things, so you're forced to improvise, because honestly, like, you have to improvise. I can't tell you how many times I have to wing it and improvise every single day. I mean, maybe that's because I don't like fully prepare myself for the day, but you know, I mean, he's still gonna be a cool ninja regardless, so, I mean, please don't fall in the paint. You look great, sweetie. You really do. Oh my God, I messed up his eye. Oh no. Oops. Let me fix her. It's fine. You're gonna make it. You still look great. Put it right there. Okay, great. He's done. It's my ninja toilet paper roll. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this and are inspired to do some arts and crafts. Now you have something to do with all of your toilet paper rolls because all of you guys bought all of them. You took them all and left none for the rest of us. Okay, well, I hope everyone stays safe and healthy. You make good choices and you don't talk to strangers. Oh, that's another video. Subscribe and make some fun crafts.